So I want you, because I make videos about vocabularies in conversation. So
Mhm.
of course we are having a conversation now. So I want you to give me at least 9 or 10, or as much as we can cover in this certain period. So give
Mhm.
me vocabularies. I'll write it down and I'll try to understand the meaning of those vocabularies.
Okay.
So it's
So you don't want to go ahead with the session document, right?
yes. I
Okay, fine.
want you to give me random vocabularies.
Okay.
I would do that later, okay? Because
All right.
I checked that I can anytime I can check that session
Mhm.
subject.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just giving these words at random. I
Okay.
hope it helps, and probably, I can give you the word and you can give me the meaning, or you can frame a sentence with it. That way it'll be
Hmm.
uh, a conversation building
It
both ways.
actually it will work
Mm-hmm.
for my viewers as well, because when they would watch this video, they
Mm-hmm.
will learn those vocabularies. Because the main motto of my video is to teach them about vocabularies, about new vocabularies, how they can improve their vocabularies. Yes.
Hmm. Okay.
And how is
So
my fluency of speaking? I want you to tell me.
right. So far it's been good. You are talking really well. That is
Okay.
completely fine. The fluency can be worked on at any time, not a problem at all.
Yes.
Oh, so good job so far.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ramya.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me the first one.
Um.
First word.
Okay. So,
And try to give me good words. Okay.
hmm.
Yes. I would tell you whether I know it about or not.
Okay. How about the word strategy?
Strategy.
Yeah.
I know this word, but it would be better if you explain, because I'm
Right.
also looking forward to this conversation from my viewer's side.
I get it.
Yes.
So, basically, strategy is nothing but a plan that one comes up with in order
Yes.
to achieve success in whatever they do. It could be, a strategic plan to like win a game, or it could be a plan to, build something, to create something, to invent something. So, strategies mean nothing but a detailed plan that
Yes.
you think of in order to march towards success.
Yes.
So,
Exactly.
that's what
Exactly.
strategy is all about. So, could you tell me a sentence with the word strategy?
Why not? As I can say that every day I make a short strategy to make the videos for my channel. Every day I make a strategy about the subject of my video for my channel. So
Perfect.
you can use the word strategy where you use the word plan, but it is
Exactly.
in a broad sense actually.
Perfect. That's great. It's another
Yes.
synonym for plan. Yeah,
Yes.
great.
All right. Thank you so much.
Moving on to the next word. How
Hmm.
about we take initiative?
Okay.
So, what do you think
Initiative.
is initiative? Initiative.
Okay. So for me, the pronunciation of this word is initiative because I'm working
Initiative.
on American accent.
All right.
Yes. So for me, I would say initiative.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. All right. Tell me the definition.
So, initiative is taking the first step or to do something. So,
Towards your plan, towards your strategy.
yeah, again, it's all interrelated, we could say.
Exactly.
So it's always necessary to start something, to begin something, right? And
Yes.
when we do that, it's called an initiative.
An initiative and the process. And when something in the process to do something, so this period is called initializing.
Right.
Yes, because when, for example, when you start a system, right, and
Hmm.
it takes a time, it takes few time to work
Mm-hmm.
properly. So you can write, it's written on the screen that the system is initializing, or please
Right.
wait, the system is initializing.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
it's just waiting to start. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Very nice word. Okay, the third one,
How about the word perspective?
perspective. Nice word, such a nice word.
Yeah.
Perspective. Okay.
Pers. Perspective.
P-E-R-S. Okay.
Pers.
P-E-R-S. P-E.
Pective.
C-T-I-V-E. Okay.
Right.
Perspective. Is there any word like prospective,
Prospect. Oh, we have a word prospect.
but not prospective?
No, not prospective.
Okay.
It's prospect.
Mhm. Okay. Actually, I have to work a lot on my vocabularies. So I want to touch almost every single word.
Hmm.
Yep, that's why.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead with the definition.
So perspective is a particular way of considering something.
Yes, you can
So
say another word like outlook,
yeah,
an outlook about something particular.
yeah.
It's a
So we
synonym actually.
usually, yeah, we usually use this term perspective um, eh, when we have different points of view. So
Exactly.
your perspective of um, food choices could be different from mine. So when you have different points of view, we use this word perspective.
From, for example, from my perspective, I would rather choose this one.
Exactly.
All right, very nice word. So we have covered three words so far.
Yeah.
Which one is the next? The fourth one.
Hmm. How about we take milestone?
Mm, nice, nice word.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think would milestone be?
No, I want you to go ahead with the definition first.
Okay.
Yes, because
So
I'm a learner. Here I'm a learner and you are a teacher. Okay, so my viewers expect you,
mm-hmm.
and I think they would believe you rather than me more.
Okay.
Okay,
So a
I'm
milestone
just
is
trying to
basically an achievement,
understand you. Sorry
right?
to interrupt you. I want to say that I'm just trying to understand you.
Get it? Yeah.
Thank you. Okay.
Um. So milestone is basically an achievement,
Hmm.
um, or we could also say an important event in the development of history or something significant in someone's life. So that's
Okay.
a
In other
milestone,
word, I think in a simple word, you can say uh, target, right?
right? Yeah.
Can we use this word?
Target is more like a goal.
Yes.
Targets may be possible, may not be possible.
Hmm.
It's a goal, and we have to work towards the goal. But milestone is usually an achievement, something that has already been achieved, something very significant.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can use the word achievement.
Hmm. Exactly. Yeah.
Yes. It is something like I got my achievement, right?
Hmm.
In another word, I can say
I hit
right.
the milestone.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the three forms.
Yeah. It's the same. Same thing for fit, bit. We don't say fitted.
Mm-hmm.
It still remains fit. So those are irregular verbs. So they don't
Okay.
have a past form. They usually retain the same base form for even the past tense.
Yes, yes. There are many words with the
Hmm.
same form, right? But again, you need to cover. You need to use all these words so that you can also remember all the forms of the word of the particular verb that you are using, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And it happens when you don't use the word. I mean that verb or any word having different forms. Yes.
Right.
Okay. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to talk to you so far as you are guiding. And as it's our first conversation, right? It's my first conversation with you. So I just guess and I hope that all the learners who book a session with you are happy just like me.
That's really nice to hear. Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so much. Okay. All right. So it
Hmm.
was the fourth one.
Yeah. Fourth one.
Which yes, which one is the next one?
Okay, I think this will probably be the last one for today.
Why?
Because we
Ah, oh
wrap
God.
up the session.
We are in the last minute. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me. As soon as
Hmm.
possible.
Okay, so probably we could use the word
Hmm.
realistic.
Realistic. I know this word, but I want you to explain it.
Yeah. So realistic is basically accepting things as they are. It could be
Yes.
facts. It could be the actuality of something.
Hmm.
Mm, so realistic is basically making some concrete or logical decisions also. So we usually
Hmm.
say have some realistic dreams. That's
Yes.
dreams and realistic. That's like contradicting at some point, but yeah. Um,
Yes. It is
yeah. So
something in a short way you can say just do something uh, which is real, right? Something
right.
which looks real. You can say it's realistic.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. Because it is important to understand in a simple words. Again,
Hmm.
because I'm also looking this conversation from my viewer side.
Right.
Yes, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have entered in the buffering minutes.
Yeah.
Right.
We have like 2 minutes
Okay.
left.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we covered five words.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Good
So I'm
to.
wishing you a
Yeah.
great day.
Yeah. Likewise. Have a great day and nice meeting you. Take care.
Thank you
Bye
so
bye.
much.